When we know the desired outcome, we can then create a strategy and a tactic to hit that bullseye. And this requires a deep understanding of our customers, of our products or services, and of course, an eye for storytelling and the ability to guide potential customers to a solution that's both in their and our best interest. After all, if you can't envision a successful result, how can you measure and improve it? It should be a tool for your business to maximize the return on investment and result in that your new clients are better clients. I'm not saying they're better people, but they're a better fit with you as a provider. And I say it's a lot like finding a needle in the haystack. Only this needle is your business. And that's why it's so important to make sure that you're making it as easy as possible for the right customers to find you and to help them qualify themselves by their actions. This process can help guide them through their own buyer's journey, answering them and helping them along the way, increasing your own visibility the whole time. And if you do it right, you will be helping potential clients to become actual clients that can become loyal ambassadors for your business all the time while making money. I think that's a really good idea. Imagine this. Imagine all the people living for, Imagine that you're able to do your marketing campaigns by storytelling. What kind of stories are you telling to help your potential customers qualify themselves by their actions? I like to visualize things, and I put this campaign in 5 steps, like a staircase or funnel. I think it's easier to picture, at least for me. After all, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, or in this case, maybe 1,000 customers.